Hey guys, what is going on? Today we're gonna do something a little bit different. We are going to work on a Toyota Tundra. So let me show you exactly what we're doing. This is a Tundra. I believe it's a 2007 or 8, and it just got this blue paint job. So this is another blue from Toyota. It used to be like a navy blue, so it just got all painted. Got some new 33-inch wheels right there. So we're going for the off-road look. We actually use this truck to bring Boosted Motorsports Hellcat swap in the back of there and a lot of other parts, so it's been useful. So the store name on Amazon is OEDRO. I'll have a link down below in the comment section and the description with a 15% off for you guys to save on these headlights. So I don't know if you can tell on camera, but these are pretty yellow, and with the new paint job with the blacked out grille and the blacked out wheels, it stands out a lot and it doesn't look good. In this box are the new headlights. These are the ones that I'll have linked down below. They have a daytime running light, and when you're installing aftermarket headlights that have that daytime running light, they usually come with some black and red wires. I'm gonna show you how to hook these up so that the daytime running light turn on with your running light. Let's go ahead and take one of the old ones off and install one of these. So there are 3 bolts you have to take off, one here, and one under this panel. So to take off this panel, it usually has these like push-in clips. This right here, it's hidden with the grill when you put the hood down. So if you scratch this area up, it's all right. It's not a big deal. All right, we got one out. There's also like 2 little clips as well. Oh, this one actually has double-sided tape. These clips end up breaking all the time on these type of trucks, so you might have to use double-sided tape how it was put on right there. Next, you take a 10mm and remove the bolts. Next, you just want to disconnect all the plugs for the light. So there we go, we have the old one out. So as you can tell, these new headlights come with the low beam and the high beam. They don't come with the blinker or the running lights. So we have to remove them from the old headlights and transfer them over. And these just twist off like that. All right, so the old headlights had a busted T10. Luckily I had some in the Jeep, but we're gonna throw it in there. You can find these on NarjaOffroad.com. These 4 cables coming out the side right here, and these will be for the white bars here, the daytime running light. So you got red and black. Black is negative, red is positive. So what you're gonna wanna do is on the running lights, so when you connect this in, you see how that light is on right there? That's the running light. So the black wires, you're gonna wanna tap into the white cable with the black stripe in there, and then the positive go to the green wire. I like using T-taps. I forgot to pick them up, but I'm going to, so I can connect these and show you guys what it looks like. But for now, we're just gonna keep installing the headlights so we can drive back home. And these are all plug and play, so just plug it in.
Look at that angle, dog.
Damn, is this a 2020?
So then just take your screws back in. So we're just gonna screw that back in to place.
How many ugly buggers?
Make sure you don't crack the plastic, don't over tighten these. So now that they're in, you do want to adjust the beam pattern. On the back of the light, there's some screws, you just twist up and down to adjust the beam pattern. So let's go ahead and turn these on. All right, so there it is. The right side is the side we did, the left side is the old headlight. That one you can tell, it's like, it just looks bad on this truck. But now with the blacked out bezels, it looks way better. The truck actually looks newer from this side. Look at that. For being an I think 7, 08, it looks really good. Compared to this side, nah, the other side looks way better. So that's what it's gonna look like with the daytime running lights. I thought it was gonna look cheesy, but it actually looks really good. And I think it complements the rest of the truck as well with the blue and the black wheels. Looks really good. Oh, also it is projector, so it should be way brighter than that side. And honestly, I think we might get some LED bulbs for these, just so that that's white instead of yellow. I don't know, personal preference. But I think next up we're gonna have to do the fog lights. And I wanted to show you guys the lights. They're actually really bright. The daytime running lights, I didn't think they would be this bright. Let me see. You can kind of see the shape better. It honestly makes the truck look way newer. Kind of hard to see the design, but that's what it looks like. It just looks way better. I do need to adjust the projectors because one side's higher than the other. But I mean, look at that. The daytime running lights actually light up the floor, so they're pretty bright. All right, so that'll be it for today's video. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the other side up, and I'll put some pictures at the end. But like I said, the hardest part would be wiring up the daytime running lights, which is super easy. All you do is wire these up to the daytime running light that's stock on the truck, use some T-taps, and that's what it's gonna look like. It looks way better. So with that being said, again, there is a discount code for these headlights down below in the description and in the comment section, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.